welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. So I'm sure you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my head. This is a cap I've been wearing for, a handful of months, and I absolutely love it. Whether you are going through chemo or you have alopecia, you've lost all your hair or you have some of it, oftentimes you want to wear something over your thinning hair or your bald head. I actually have androgenic alopecia. I have dealt with telogen effluvium and genetic thin fine hair and hair loss. It got to the point last year where I buzzed off my hair because I had it. And ever since I buzzed off my hair, I wear a lot of caps around the house. I wear lightweight caps, and I usually wear one to bed because I tend to get pretty chilly. Oftentimes I wake up with no cap on my head because they slide off in the night. I ended up trying out this awesome cap by Encelia hair. Allison did it again. She created another product that she put a lot of thought into, and I'm thrilled to share this with you guys because I think that she puts a lot of her heart and soul into it. She creates things that she feels are needed on the market because she is a baldy and she has certain things that she wants and that she's looking for that she has not been able to find, and she creates them for her own needs, therefore, being very mindful of the needs that are out there because she has experienced hair loss and no hair herself. So I have shared some other videos with her sports wig, headband, ponytail hair, and then the hair piece that attaches to various sports hats and things like that. You can wear it out surfing, you can wear it in the water, you can wear it biking. So I highly suggest you guys check out those videos. I will have links down below, but this here cap is for sleeping and it's just wonderful. Let me tell you guys some details about this here cap. This is called the Dream Cap by Encelia hair. It's very soft. She has really cute prints. It's snug. It feels fantastic. This is a modern sleeping cap, and what's wonderful is it has a built-in mask. As you can see right here, there's this little notch. It is so you can actually pull this down over your eyes for those who, want to remove the light and they sleep better with a mask. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Can slide it down and it securely and snugly covers your eyeballs when you go to sleep. It feels great. Let me do a turnaround so you guys can see what it looks like when it's over my eyes. I can't see anything, but so yes, it has this built-in mask. It's just very comfortable. It feels great. It's so soft and it's secure. Like I mentioned, all of the caps I wear, not just one, all of them, as much as I do enjoy them, I like them, they all slide off while I sleep. This is a modern chemo cap with a built-in sleep mask that is cozy, chic, and stays put. You have breathable, butter smooth fabric for a cozy feel. This is like a pillow top sleep mask, so it's cushiony. It just feels so soft. This is light blocking, so you can, cover up your eyes and sleep well no matter where you are. So if you are having chemo treatments in the hospital, you're on the road, you can cover your eyes and it will block the light. So every cap comes with a fabric pen, and that pen can be used to have, loved ones write you little notes on the inside of the cap. You can write your own little affirmations if you want to. I thought that was a really fun little feature and added thing that Allison put in with her cute sleep cap. I think sometimes if you get a note and you can keep it with you, it just gives you that added comfort and support. My husband actually wrote this cute Sweet Dreams Beautiful a while back, and I think it's just fun to have that ability to have little notes written on there, and that she includes that fabric pen in with the sleep cap. You have this lightweight flannel for a comfy, cozy feel. You have this stretchy elastic band at the nape. It's not uncomfortable. It actually feels nice and snug, yet comfortable. So you have that nice tight feel, but you don't feel like your head's in a vice. You don't feel like it's squeezing your brain. It's just like a comfort. It kind of feels like when you put on a pair of those perfect leggings that make you feel secure. It's soft, it's cozy. That's what you have here. They do have a cooling mesh collection for those who, you know, get really hot. But all in all, the fabric is very breathable and comfortable. Her amazing logo, the front that can fit over your nose for that built-in mask, and then the underside, this is what we have right here. It's very soft and cushiony. Anyway, I just have loved this hat, especially in the winter. I get really chilly. It stays on my head. I don't wake up with my head super cold. It's yet another product that Allison has created and put a lot of thought into the details and the needs of those who are going through chemo or other things, and they need that coverage on their head. They want that comfort, and this gives them that. I will have the links down below so you can check out these dream caps, and you can check out her other products as well. Allison is a sweetheart. She just wants to help those in the community who have gone through hair loss for one reason or another. And I'm just honored and thrilled to share her products with you guys, because I know that she's put her heart and soul into it, and she's very genuine about what she's chosen to put, you know, her efforts into. I highly appreciate and admire that dedication. Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think about this cute dream cap. I love this print. Take a look at it. It is so cute. You'll have to check out the other prints on her website. Those links will be down below. You'll have to go follow Encelia Hair on her social media platforms. Those links will also be down below. And I also have a coupon code if you'd like to use it. That will be down below in the description as well. I want to thank Allison for the opportunity to try some of her amazing products and share them with you guys. And I hope that anyone out there who could use a cap in the night when they're sleeping, on their travels, at the hospital, if you want that extra comfort, do check out this dream cap. It may help you out. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.